doesn't matter what size you are, but as soon as you start to hire employees, that's one of the first things you should be doing is training your employees. And some of the training programs or the training systems that you should be having them go through is general cleaning, safety cleaning. Those are the two primary ones that you should be providing. General cleaning, so everybody understands your system of cleaning so they can hit your production marks. Safety cleaning, very important. The more that you avoid accidents, the lower your workman's comp and a lot of other associated pricing. So very, very important. Not to mention that it's something that's mandatory by OSHA at least once a year that you provide safety training to your employees. So and when you do provide the training, doesn't matter what it is, make sure that it's documented. So when a person comes in, and if you're doing team, a classroom setting or even a single individual, always have them sign off on a sign-in sheet that they're attending the training, and then also give them a certificate of completion. You can give them one, then you can also put a copy in their employee file. So now you got proof that they actually been provided the training that's required. Okay? Customer service training. It's incredible that how many companies I talk to that don't offer customer service training. That just blows my mind, because our cleaners, our team, they're the front end of our company. They're the ones that may come in and will come in contact with our clients. We want to make sure that our team can handle any situation that may arise when they're engaged with our client. Very important. So we feel that that's a must. These top three we feel is a must. You should be providing that training. Now also, the thing that I often see both on commercial and residential cleaning companies is that they don't provide any chemical solution training. What I mean by that, they don't take the time to have a training class and train their employees and team on what cleaning solutions are. So you have your detergents, you got your alkaline cleaners, acids cleaners, disinfectants, sanitizers, bacteria and enzymes, and then you got solvent cleaners. So if we were to have a discussion with anybody about that, generally they couldn't tell me what cleaner is what and why I would use a certain cleaner for whatever purpose. Very important because, again, when we're cleaning homes, we have all the different types of surfaces in the home. We can come across granite, marble, corian, formica, stone, vinyl, just all these different surfaces. And if we're not training our cleaners on which chemical solution to use on what surfaces, and or to train them on how to identify the surfaces and the soils that they're cleaning, how can they choose the correct cleaning solution to remove the soil?